Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to do email marketing in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to do email marketing in WordPress, first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin here. After that, we have to search for MailMint. Okay, so at the top of the search, as you can see here, we have email marketing, email automation, and newsletter for WordPress and WooCommerce MailMint plugin. Okay, so we have to install this plugin. So I have already installed this. All I need to do is to click on the activate. Okay, so after activating the plugin, we will be redirected to the setup wizard of the MailMint. So let's just move forward with this. Click on the next. And the first thing that we need to add is the business info. Obviously here you will be adding the information about your business, and here in the last you can add the logo. Okay, but right now I'm skipping the detail here and click on the next. Alright, so after that we can create the list here. So in the MailMint we use the list to distribute the contacts into specific groups. Okay, so you can add the list here if you want to, but if you don't want to add or create any list, you can simply skip this. But right now I will just simply write down new subscribers. Okay, now here I can simply write down the description of it, but I'm skipping this. So let's click on the next. And after that we have tags. So we use the tag to assign to contacts to further identify them within the list. Okay, so here you can simply create the tags if you want to. Now let's click on the next. And here we have the setup email frequency. It simply means that how many emails you want to set within the specific time limit. Okay, so here we have the two options. The first one is recommended, which is actually the 25 emails after every 5 minutes. And we also have the manual. So if you want to set the email frequency manually, you can simply do it from here. Okay, so now let's click on the next. Now we have the double opt-in, which simply means that after creating the account or having the email subscription, the MailMint will ask for email confirmation again. Okay, so if you want to enable this, you can simply enable this from here. And after that, you have to write down the email subject, and you can write down the email body, and you can also decide the action after confirmation. Okay, but right now I just want to go here with the default value. So let's click on the next. Now click on the next again, and we are done with the configuration of our MailMint. So now let's just go inside the dashboard of the MailMint. So in the dashboard, as you can see here, that there are 4 main things in the MailMint. The first thing is the contacts, and after that we have the campaign. After that we have automation, and in the last we have forms. So if you want to add the content, you can simply click on the context here, or you can simply click on the contact here, and here you can simply add the detail of the contact. Okay, so if I click on the cancel, we will be inside the context, and in the context, as you can see here, we have total number of contacts. We have subscribed, we have unsubscribed, and we also have pending. Okay, and you can also import the contact, and you can also export the contacts. But unfortunately, the export option is only available for the pro version of the MailMint. Okay, after that we have the campaigns. So in the campaigns, we can simply create the new campaign by just clicking on new campaign. And here we have the 3 different options, but 2 options are actually the part of pro version. We only get the regular email campaign that we can use for free. So if I just click on the create campaign, we will be redirected to create a new campaign here. And here we can simply add the title. After that, I can add the recipient here. And after that, I can add the subject line. And after that, we have preview text. And then we have from and reply to emails. Okay, and in the last we have the email design. So if you want to design your email, you can simply do it from here. So let's just click here. Alright, so as you can see here that we have a lot of the different templates that we can simply use for our email. But if you want to create the design for your template from the scratch, you can simply do it from here. But right now I will simply be using the pre-made template here. So let's click on this one and click on apply. Okay, so here we have the design of our email. So if you want to customize this, you can simply customize it from here. just by clicking on the element. So if you want to change the text, you can simply click on the text. And if you want to change the logo, you can simply click on the logo, and from here you can simply change the value, and you can also change the property values of the logo or the text from here as well. And if you want to change the button here, you can simply click on it, and you can change the text of the color from here. You can change the link, and you can change the target, and you can also change the property values of it. Okay, so this is how you can design the email from here. And if you want to send the test email, you can simply do it from here. Okay, so now let's click on the save, and let's just go back into the campaigns. So this is how we can create the campaigns. And after that, we have automations. So in the automations, if you want to automate the process, you can simply do it from here just by clicking on new automation. And here you will be able to see pre-built journeys here. So we can use the opt-in welcome email journey, and we can also use a new user welcome email, and we can also use the user login notification. Or if you want to build the journey from the scratch, you can simply do it from here. But right now I'll be using the opt-in welcome email journey. So let's click here. And now you can see this, we have pre-built journey of the welcome email. Okay, so these are the triggers. So the first thing that we have is the trigger, which is the form submitted. After that, we are assigning the tags, and after that we have the time delay, and in the last we are actually sending the email to the user from Mint. Okay, and this is how we end our journey here. So if you want to customize this, you can simply do it. You just have to click here, and if you want to select the form from here, you simply click here. And right now we don't have any form, but when you have the forms, you will be able to see the options here. Okay, and after that we have assign tag, and after that we have time delay. So if you want to add any new element in between, you could simply click on the plus icon, and you will be able to see that we can send an email, and we can assign the tags, and we can do add to list, and in the last we can do time delay. And we also have the other options, but unfortunately all of those options are actually the part of pro version, so that is why we can't use it with the free version. Okay, so this is how we can create the automation here as well. All right, and in the last we have the forms. So in the forms, right now we don't have any form. So if you want to create the form, you simply click on new form, and from here we can simply pick the pre-made template, or we can create the form from the scratch. Okay, so right now I just want to use this ticket discount. So let's click on the apply here, and this is our form. So if you want to customize this, you can simply customize this from here. So we also have the email field, and we have the submit button. Okay, and if you want to customize the option, you can simply do it from here as well. And at the top we can change the title, and we can also assign this to the specific kind of subscribers. Okay, so if you want to use this somewhere specific, you simply copy the shortcode key of it, and after that you can simply paste it anywhere where you want to use this. Okay, so now you can see this here. We have the form type, we have the animation, and we have the appearance, and in the last we have the close button color. So if I just click on the appearance, here you can see the option here that whether you want to display this on the home page or you want to display this on the all pages. So it totally depends on how you want to use this. But right now I'll just simply enable the value of home page only, and now let's click on publish. Okay, so right now we are having the issue that we don't have any subscriber or we don't have any contact. That is why we can't actually publish this. But when you add the context to it, it can be published. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how we can do email marketing in WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.